Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing absolutely great. So there is going to be a snowstorm tonight. That's what they're expecting. So if you see that I'm going out to put my car wipers up so that when I have snow it will be easy to clean my car windshield. So let's go and see. So it's almost like 6 o'clock. So snow has not started yet, but I can see the wipers are up. So let's put these wipers up. So I'm keeping my wipers up. Ooh. Did I put that one first? I should have. Okay, my wipers are here. So my wipers are up. So let's wait for the snow. 8-inch to 10-inch. So I kept my wipers up. Let me check if I got any emails. So there's my mailbox. There's nothing. So let's catch up tomorrow. So I think weather alert is right. It's a snow blizzard. So if I open it, you can just see. Let me show you. So it's morning, friends, and look at this. It's like snow everywhere. Yeah, let me go to my front porch. Let's see. Oh, wow. Check it out. I think this is the first snow. Look at my car, friends. It's in a worse condition. See? Yeah, it's almost 3-inch snow. Wow. Check out. Oh, it's snowing like hell. There's a lot of snow. Heavy snow. The temperature is not bad, but I think it's gonna get worse. It's just like -4 degrees, but it'll get worse for sure. So I'm going inside. So probably tomorrow we can expect the same thing, but temperature might just get like a little bit even colder. Yeah, you can see the snowfall. Can you? Beautiful. Wow. Friends, I have been trying to clean this car for 20 minutes. Check this out, it's so dangerous. Not at all getting any help. I have been running this car for like 30 minutes. So it's supposed to get heat, but nope. That's what happens. So that's the snow vlog. So they were right, but yeah, it is what it is. Hope you all like this small snowy vlog. You do hit the like button.